So, education is a learning cycle without an end. Continuing education helps career-minded individuals to continually improve their skills and become more professional at work. Professional development for teachers gives them a chance to step out of their routine. They become the student rather than the teacher, and it keeps educators motivated. So now I'm going to share my screen. Let's start with the presentation. I hope my screen is visible to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
That's good. Thank you. Thanks for confirming. So, first of all, you all are welcome to the session on the Google Docs on the platform of All India Educator Forum. And I'm really thankful to the Matthew sir who gave us this wonderful platform to impart the education in each other, the ways of technology and the other process also. Anthony J. D'Angelio said rightly that develop a passion for learning. If you do, you will never cease to grow. And that's really very true, that if we are having a passion for learning, we will never stop to grow. We will going on, keep learning, keep growing, and so on. So let me introduce myself. I'm Jasjeet Kaur. I'm a Google certified educator as well as a globally certified teacher expert. Now today's session is about the Google Docs. So what exactly the Google Docs is? It is a free web-based application in which we can create, we can edit, we can store the text and material online, and also it is available offline also. Files can be accessed anywhere from any computer, and the Google Docs is a part of a comprehensive package of online offered by and associated with the Google. Now, what we are going to learn today is here what exactly the Google Docs is and how we can work on it. How we can create a Google Doc, how to share a Google Doc, what are the different add-ons we can use for it, what is the purpose for it, and the best part of it is there that we can go for that typing, that instead of typing the text, we can type the text with our own voice. It can help the language teachers to work on accordingly very smoothly. Through this, on the docs itself, we can create the hyperlinks also. We can give the comments for the particular on the collaboration basis. We can insert the items such as the tables, images, drawings. When we are giving the topic to the kids in the language form, that write a paragraph on a particular topic in 100 words or 150 words. When the student is working on it, there is no need to count the words. There is a feature in the Google Docs. You can just click onto that and you come to know how many words are there. We can easily publish a document also, and we can embed a document also. Now, following are the key features of the Google Docs. As we are doing that, we are going for the collaboration also. So in this, we can do more together. We are using a smart editing and styling also.
Gadgets. Well, they're almost halfway through, and it is us
Educators, please mute yourself.
Who need to catch on, and the shift is not only physical but mental as well. We need to remember that technology is a here to replace teachers, but to enable them and
Shweta ma'am, please mute yourself.
has helped to establish
So the weekend, it can be
and
automatically saves
responsible
also,
parents.
and it can be used anytime and anywhere. Thank you. Now, what are the educational uses of Google Docs are there? It is a versatile tool, and we can create templates for the students to type on for it. We can make the class notes on it. We can make the lesson plans. We can write the essays or the stories on it. And the best part is there that we can use it as an translation part for it also. Now, this is the way how we can create a Google Doc. There are three different ways in which we can use the Google Docs is there. First of all, this is a Google Apps icon. 9 dots are there in which we can call it as an waffle also. We can explore it while working practically on the Google Docs. So when we are clicking on the waffle, we have to click either on the drive or on the Google Docs icon. Through the drive also, we can open the sheet for the Google Docs, or with the direct link, we can start with the document to start the work. Third way is there, we can on the URL, we can type docs.google.com and the new blank document will be open for us. The next feature is to start up the document. First of all, we have to name the document. On this, we got it as untitled document. We have to name it, and following are the feature different tools we are there. In this, when we explore, we will come to know what exactly is there and how we can work with that. Next, as we are saying that it is a collaboration process, we can also go. So while sharing our doc with the colleagues or the students, on the doc itself, we got this particular share icon. When we click onto it, this particular window will be pop up. And when this window pop up, we have to enter the email ID for the particular person with whom we have to share it. And then we can share it with them with the different, we can say the permissions to give them either to edit or to view or to comment, that we will explore while working on the doc itself. Also, when we are sharing with the persons, we can share it with the restricted or anyone with the link, and then we can click on the done. These are the formatting text. For the formation of the text, we are having different tools for the formatting. This is B stands for the bold of the text, I for the italics, U for underlining that text. With A, we can color the different text also with the different colors. We can highlight the text also. We can link it with the other hyperlink is there. This is the image icon. When we click onto it, we can explore the image from the Google search or from the computer also. We can inserted them on the doc itself. These are the different tools which we are using for the alignment. This is the left alignment, center alignment, or right alignment, or justification is there. So when we are exploring it, we are using the bullets also. We can use the check boxes also. Different tools are there, and we are blessed to see that there are so many things to work on it. And also, as I said, that we have the permission to give the collaboration for that. And on that, the educators or the students, they can comments on it. They can share their reactions while sharing the emojis, or they can even suggest the edits also. While suggesting the edits, what they have to do, they will have to just open it up, and they click onto the edit text, and they can share it there just to give us the remarks. Now, these are the 9 icons, 9 dots. That is the Google Apps icon is there, which we call it as an waffle. And when we are going to click on it, just see, this is the drive. When we are open it, click onto it, this window will be open it up. And from here, we will click onto the new. From here, this Google Docs will be there, and we click onto it. And let's see, our new icon is new Google Doc sheet is there. The other way for is there again with the waffle. Let's open the new tab. And again with the waffle, we can open it up, click onto that. And this is the icon for the Google Doc. We will click directly to it and the same window will be open it up. And the third way is there when we are going to write down on the URL docs.google.com. The same window will be open up. Now in this also we are having different ways. We can work it on the given templates also from the gallery, or we can start with the scratch. So now I'm going to start with the scratch. Here we are having untitled document. Let's rename it first of all. Let us say it's a demo Google Doc, or we can say let's work on this topic, national flag. Good. Now this is there. When this star is there, when you are going to click onto it, this is there. It means that this document, when we are open it up from the on drive, it will come under the star category. We can move this document to the different folders in our drive also. And this is there. There's no need to save. Press the Control S to save the document. It's automatically saved into the cloud. This is the cloud sign. Now this is the icon for the file. Here again, we can open it up. We can start with the new document without coming back out of this sheet. We can start from the template gallery also. We can open the new window also with the open a file. Whenever we want to open a new file from the drive, we can click onto it and we will get a new file from there. The next is here, we can make a copy of it. As we are working on the collaboration. So it's better that we can make our own copy so that whenever the changes will be occurred by the other educators, the first original sheet, it won't be get disturbed. For sharing with the others, educators, co-workers, there are the two options are there. One is share with the others from this, and the first one is there, which I've shown from there. Let's start from here. The same window will be pop up. When we are going to enter it, we are giving the name to any person. Now just see, these are the permissions we have to give to the collaborator. Either they can view the sheet. In this, they can only view, they can't do anything to it. Commenter, they can view as well as they can comment on the sheet. And editor is there when they can work as we are working on the sheet accordingly. Or we can copy the link and we can share it with the person with whom we want to share it up. Now this is also there is there, that is restricted is there. Restricted means that with whom you are sharing the link, they can open it up. It is for a unlisted one is there, and anyone with the link to any person you are giving, again the permissions are the same for them. Now the next icon is there, that is the email. We can mail this document to anyone also through this directly. We can download this also. We can download in the form of the docs as well as in the PDF. Other features are also there. You can explore and you can work on it. We can rename our document again if we want to rename it. We can move it to the other folders from here also and from the window which I have already shared with you. We can move to the bin also. If we work on it and we don't need that document, we can send that bin to the document to the bin also. Now version history is there if you're working on it, that what is the name current the version is there if you want to name them, and we can see it there also that who all is working on it. Now we have started this worksheet and this document, and it is started where we will see afterwards that how it works after when we are working on it. Next is we can make it available offline. The best part is there, that is the language. We are having different languages, more than 150 languages are there in this Google Doc. You can explore everything, you can work on it. Let's say I am just clicking on, we do some practical. That's Hindi is there. Now we got the dashboard keyboards for the Hindi fonts also. When we click onto it, we got 3 different fonts. One is the phonetic one. When we click onto it and we want to write anything else, suppose we want to write आपका. So this is there. And now we are saying that this is not a correct. We want the full P. So what we can do, per is there. We can use the inscript. In the inscript, you can see just here, we can go for it and we can change the font. That is, we can use A and then per and then K and A. So this is there. The great feature is there. A third one is there. That is, we are having the direct sheet is there. Suppose if you want to write it down something. Let's say we want to write it down Gurmeet. And this is there, Gurmeet is there. We enter and we got it. So this is the best part for the Hindi language teachers, isn't it? Is it?
Yes, ma'am. This is very nice, ma'am. बहुत अच्छा.
Thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you. So
Thank
the
you.
next one is there, page setup. When we want to do, this is the pages and the pageless is there. 2 fonts are there. We can set the page according to our requirement, the whole document, portrait or the landscape. We can change the color of our page also. Let's say the page, the color of the pages changes. When we want to undo, we want to move back, we just click on to undo and it's go back. And when we go redo, again that page comes up. It also work out with these particular icons from this particular window. Now let's see what is to be, we have to insert. We can insert the images. It is through the, we can upload from the computer also. We can search from the web. We can upload from the drive also, from the Google Photos also. We can enter the URL as well as the, we can click on with the camera also. Now let's say we are going to search from the web. Let's say we are going to search for the national flower only, as I'm saying. So these are different images we are getting. Just see, it's a lovely, isn't a lovely tool there, is that we don't have to move outside and we have to click. Within one click, we will get everything out of it. Let's say we will just click onto it and insert. And this is there. We can resize it also. We can make it into the different positions also in the we can rotate it and whatever way. And this is the best part for the students when they're making the projects. They can work on it, they can check it out, that they are easily work on it. Now when see we are this, we are having the font is there, and if it is not visible to us, so what we can do, we can change the font size also from here. Let's say I am writing it there. So what we can do, we can just click onto it. We can change the font of the, we can bold it, we can italicize it, we can underline it, we can change the color of the text also, we can highlight also. And now just see, if we want to see that these are the functions when clicking onto the image, this is inline, which is already is there. When we are going to check it out, it is the position is changed, the wrap text is there, or the back down break text is there, that is going there, or we can say, just see, it is come in front of it and we are able to put it on itself also. So these are the different features for the images. We can put the templates also. In the table templates, we are having the maximum of 20 rows and 20 columns. So let's see, we can look out for the 5 times 2 is there. I'm inserting the table again. So this is the way we are working it on the table. We can write down anything in it. Let's say the serial number. We can remove the highlighters. We can write the name of the student. We can write down the subject of the students if you want to make the sheet. We can make the different. So these are the different ways we can explore it and you can get it out with this, that how we can work on it and what exactly it is there. We can make the text in the center also, and we can change everything out of it. So if we are going to change the color of the background, let's move to the again to the white color. Now just see, this is the way we are working on the table formation is there. The interesting one is there. Now it is there. Insert the drawing. Let me refresh it. So this is how we can work on it. When we are going to insert the drawing, we can go for the new, and here we get the things. We can again search it from the Google Drive and say we want to write the national fruits or fruits only, and there it is, the image. We can enter it. We can say like apple, and these images we are getting on the drawings itself, and we can resize it. And for the project work also, this is really helpful for the teachers, drawing teachers and other teachers also to make it out. And we can just save and close it, and it's automatically pop up on our screen. Let's see. We have to just resize it, and this is all it is there. So this is what exactly I want to share with you. Any queries from your end? I want to explain. We are having different tools also. We can work on it. We can use the voice typing also. Let me share one more thing is there. If I saying, hello everyone. So as we are just, I have entered, this is the font for the Hindi. So it is there. And when I'm going to change the language from here, now if I'm saying, hello everyone.
Hello, ma'am.
So this is what it is, the work we are working on it. So I hope the session is, I'm able to explain my concept. Now I'm stop sharing. Any queries from your end? I'm happy to answer it out.
Ma'am,
Yes,
just
ma'am.
that voice
Very
typing,
nice
if you
session,
can
ma'am.
explain
How,
again.
how was the session? I hope I can give my full views for it. Okay, let me show you something more. We are having a one more feature regarding the text is there. If I'm writing, suppose we are searching it about the national flower. So suppose these are the, it is there. We can copy down it from here and we can paste it also in our document, and we can this is the way we are working on it. And in this, the text, when we are saying that we have to go for the images or text is there, when we have to give some comments on it, just see when we are enter anything, any word is there, the three windows are pop up. So first one is stands for the add comment. If you want to add comment, this is there, the color of the change, and we say just recheck. So if we are working on the collaboration, we can say and it's done. And when it is gone to the other person, it is there. The second option is emoji. We can share the emojis also. We can add any emojis we want to share it out. Let's say for today task is this one is there. So we get the emojis also. These are the very wonderful features we are working with the Google Docs. And we can also have we can form it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you tell us about Google Drawing, how to draw
Okay.
polygons or mathematical drawings in the Google Docs?
That's very good. Just click onto the insert. From insert, we are going to drawings. Then again, click onto it. And here we are having the shapes column is there. So when we are enter to the shapes, the shape is there. You just go and click onto it. These are the, just see, we have to just see it is square is there. If you want any other shape, we can click onto it. This is the triangle. Or if you want something extra which is not available here, this is the parallelogram. You can make it out, or you can search it from the Google search also. Just whatever shape you want to be right. Suppose you want to enter the types of triangles. You want to explain the concept to the children. Types of triangle. And just see, we are having different are there. Select and just see. Everything is there.
Ma'am,
just,
how will I, excuse me, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, how will we draw an angle and mark? Suppose if it's a 60 degree or 30 degree. So normally when we draw the angle, we used to write the angle.
Okay.
So is it possible with the drawing? And one more thing, ma'am.
Yes.
After drawing the picture, if I have to take only that picture and paste it in a Word document.
Yes, this is a Word document itself. This is just like a Word document only. You can download it and you can share it with your other mail, and you can download from here that there itself. Just it is new. And when we are going to draw it, instead of getting it there, click onto the line. You can just draw it here. This is one. Then again click onto the line and make another line from here. And here it is the 90-degree angle. If you want to make it the shape for that, this is the scribble curve is there, curve connector, the scribble is there. You can just make it like, suppose it is only a 90-degree, so we can make it like this and like this. This is the 90-degree angle. And if you want to make it out something, suppose, let me show you.
Ma'am, how will I enter text, the like 90-degree wala text?
I'm showing you. When you have to make it out like this, enter it. This is the line. Okay. And then again, suppose, let me undo it. I am trying to make it out the 60-degree angle for you. When you explore it, you will get it exactly what we want it. And there it is this way. And this here we can use the scribble and we can make it like this. And when you have to do, just if you want to erase item is also there, and just save and close, and it will automatically come on your sheet. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.